Dealing with steps, curbs, and entryways can make everyday movement feel harder than it should, especially when safety matters most. The right ramp can make home access, travel, and daily routines much smoother. In this video, we're counting down the 7 best wheelchair ramps that help create safer, easier, and more reliable access for a variety of situations. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. VNN. The VEN is a strong option for people who want a practical folding ramp for home entry, garage steps, and temporary access needs. It is especially appealing for households that need a ramp they can move, store, and bring out when needed instead of committing to a more permanent setup. That flexibility can make daily life feel much easier. Its biggest advantage is the focus on traction and stability. The aluminum surface uses a fold pattern to increase grip, and the added non-skid layer gives extra reassurance when wheels or shoes meet the ramp. That matters a lot in real use, because a ramp should help users feel secure, not hesitant, especially during regular trips in and out of the house. Safety details also add to its appeal. Side baffles and reflective warning stickers help reduce the chance of accidents, while the transition plates at the top and bottom help the ramp sit more smoothly against the surface. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Sharewin. When you are dealing with a wheelchair, scooter, or bicycle, the last thing you want is a surface that feels unstable or awkward to carry around. That is why portable design and dependable grip matter so much in this category. The Sharewin is a very practical choice for people who want a lightweight aluminum ramp that can be folded, carried, and used in a wide range of everyday situations. Whether it is for home access, travel, loading mobility devices, or helping over smaller barriers, it is built to offer more convenience without feeling flimsy or overly complicated. One of its standout strengths is the anti-skid surface. The black frosted traction layer is designed to maintain grip in different weather conditions, which can be especially important for outdoor use or wet wheels. The bottom grip, safety pin, and landing attachment features also help create a more secure experience, giving users extra peace of mind while moving up or down the ramp. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. NeoWism. This is a strong pick for users who want a portable folding ramp with a more heavy-duty feel. It is especially attractive for people who need support for wheelchairs, strollers, scooters, bicycles, or carts, and want something that feels ready for frequent use. The emphasis here is clearly on building a safer path over common obstacles without making the ramp too difficult to carry. Its double anti-slip approach is one of the biggest reasons it stands out. The ramp uses a frosted surface to improve grip between the tires and the ramp itself, while the zigzag ground contact design helps reduce movement at the base. That layered approach can make a noticeable difference when stability is the top concern, especially on surfaces where slipping would be a serious issue. There are also several thoughtful safety touches, including side baffles, warning stickers, and rust-resistant hinges designed for long-term use. The included metal pins help secure the ramp to the step surface, which can add more confidence in everyday situations. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Rudiman 6097. Not every mobility situation is exactly the same, and that is why a one-size-fits-all ramp does not always feel ideal. Some users need more flexibility in width, others need easier transport, and some simply want something that adapts better during travel. This ramp earns its place by offering a more customizable approach than most standard folding designs. The Rudiman 6097 is a smart choice for users who want a two-piece portable ramp that offers more adjustment freedom. Because the ramp comes in separate sections, it can be adapted to suit different wheelchair widths and access situations. That extra flexibility can be especially useful for travel, temporary setups, and spaces where traditional single-piece ramps feel limiting. Another major benefit is the adjustable length locking design. Instead of forcing you into only fully open or fully closed positions, it allows more precise control over the setup. That can help create a better fit for certain steps, curbs, or entry points, and may reduce the amount of trial and error needed when moving from place to place. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Orinclus. This is an excellent choice for people who want a low-maintenance ramp for doorways, curbs, thresholds, and other small height changes around the home or outside. It is particularly useful when you want something that can stay in place handle repeated use, and require almost no effort to install. That simplicity makes it appealing for many households and care environments. Its non-slip textured surface is one of the biggest reasons it works so well. Even in wet or icy conditions, the ramp is designed to provide better traction and reduce the risk of slipping. That is a major benefit for wheelchairs, scooters, walkers, carts, and other mobility devices that need a more stable path across uneven surfaces. The rubber construction also deserves a lot of credit. It is durable, wear-resistant, and designed to handle pressure without cracking or bending easily. Because it is tool-free and easy to move, it gives users a helpful balance of convenience and heavy-duty support. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Rudiman 8399. The balance between lightweight portability and real, everyday dependability is not always easy to get right. This model does a very good job of delivering both. The Rudiman 8399 is a great option for people who need a folding aluminum ramp for doorsteps, garage steps, and general home access. It is especially well suited for buyers who want something compact enough to transport and store, but durable enough to stand up to repeated daily use with wheelchairs, strollers, scooters, or walkers. One of the most appealing things about it is the double anti-slip design. The textured aluminum surface and added anti-slip layer help improve traction, while the thickened mat on the headboard helps the ramp stay more stable where it meets the upper surface. Reflective stickers on both sides also improve visibility in lower light, which adds another layer of practical safety. Its lightweight build and built-in handle make it easy to fold and carry, so it works well not just at home, but also for outdoor trips or temporary use in different locations. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Facnuo. The Facnuo deserves a spot in this video as one of the best overall options for many home users who need a folding ramp for steps, thresholds, stairs, and doorways. It is designed with everyday accessibility in mind, making it a strong fit for wheelchairs, walkers, and scooters in situations where a temporary or portable access solution is needed. It feels like a ramp built around real household use. Safety is the biggest reason it stands out. The textured non-slip aluminum surface helps create more stable movement, while the upgraded baffles, reflective strips, and extended guide rails help improve visibility and reduce the chance of rolling off the sides. Those details can make a real difference, especially in low-light situations or when confidence during movement is especially important. It is also built for long-term practicality. The aluminum body and corrosion-resistant hinge are designed to hold up indoors and outdoors, and the folding design with built-in handle makes transportation far easier. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best wheelchair ramps that you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.